Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the cheapest and quickest eyebrow tutorial. Your eyebrows are so essential to your face, especially wearing a full face of makeup or just going for a natural look. It's definitely there to accentuate your face. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications, like this video, comment on the video if you have any tips for me, and keep watching as we get into this video. So the first thing I'm going to be using is my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. This pencil is literally $2. You can find it at Walmart, Target. You can find it on their website, online. It's literally $2. It's a really good pencil. It works really well. The one con that I have about this pencil is the fact that it doesn't have a fine point. The point is well rounded, so it definitely kind of makes it harder, a little bit harder to kind of like accentuate a line, which you'll see me kind of struggle with it a little bit, and I have to go back in and clean it up. But it's definitely one of the better, cheaper pencils if you don't want to spend $40 on a pencil, an eyebrow pencil, which is what some of them can cost. So another good thing about this eyebrow pencil is the fact that it comes double-sided, one with the pencil, and then the other side has the actual eyebrow brush, which is good to help you clean up and straighten up your brows, you know, get them kind of in order before you start outlining. So I'm just going to speed this up really quick, straightening up my brow and just wiping it off, you know, cleaning the residue of the morning off. I'm starting to work on the outline right now of the first brow, which this is important. You know, you want to keep your lines straight and, you know, go as slowly as possible as you can. I am going kind of fast because I'm used to doing this. I do my brows all the time. So, but if you're a beginner or if you don't do your brows all the time, it's definitely better if you go slow. You know, that way you create the line and the shape that you want of your brow. Once you finish the outline of the brow, you want to start filling it in the middle. You want to do these little tick mark lines to kind of mimic your eyebrow hair, to make it look as realistic as possible, because you are filling in your brow. Just a quick note, I like to use a baby wipe, to try to like clean up my areas, because I mean, you don't have to be super neat with this, but it really does help you with lining up and making sure your outline is as neat as possible, and you can clean it up that way really easily. Also, this brow gel that I'm using is it's a dual side, one for mascara and one for brow. It's e.l.f. as well. It's $2, and the importance of the brow gel is it helps separate your eyebrow hairs and give your eyebrow more of a realistic look, and it kind of helps set it in place as well. Another really important element of creating this brow look is using your concealer to define the brow. So I'm going to be using my matte concealer with a flathead brush. You can use an angle brush. This is just going to define your brow and just outline it so it pops, you know, and it covers up. This is another way for you to cover up any other mistakes, because like I said, it's concealer. I love matte concealer. It's good for coverage. It's if you haven't tried it, it's definitely worth a try. It's worth the money that you spend for. I think it's like $20 to $30 for their concealer. But yeah, so you're just really gonna just outline your brow to the shape that you want it, and then I like to just drag the concealer down, because especially if you're using eyeshadow and whatnot, you can also use that as a part of your eyeshadow primer process, also as a part of your contouring when it comes to highlighting as well. So there's multiple uses for this when you're doing your makeup. Take your time as well, because you want to make sure you're getting the shape that you want. And it may seem like I'm going kind of fast, but I'm used to doing this. I do my eyebrows all the time. almost every day. And for people who are beginners or who don't wear makeup continuously like that, you know, it's going to be an adjustment. It's going to take some time to get used to. So you definitely want to do it in slow strokes, slow motion. And so that way you know, you're not making that many mistakes. So I'm going to take my blending brush and blend the concealer above and below the brow and with my skin so that it kind of fades into each other. I'm in the process of touching up my brow, fixing any problem areas that I see, and pretty much just shaping my brow the way that I want it to look. So this is the process of doing that, and yeah, just keep watching and I'm gonna continue on. Okay, so I'm finished with my brows. Thank you guys for watching this video and going on this eyebrow journey with me. Make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.